Welcome to the Xterra once again. We're going to take a look at these custom roof bars, which you'll find out are nothing more than plastic dip, electrical conduit, and apart from McMaster-carr, U-bolts with a plastic fitting. So let me switch the camera around and we'll take a look. All right, this is all the mounting is. It's this electrical conduit you can pick up at any one of your hardware stores. And I've had a couple washers and a nut to fit on top of the U-bolt that is one of those non-slip nuts with the rubber inside. And then to make it all bolt to your Xterra's roof racks, I just got this U-bolt with circular fitting from McMaster-carr, and the link is in the description. I would recommend some sort of rubber because it doesn't fit perfectly. You can see a little gap on this one where my fingernail is, but if you put the rubber, which I just ran out of so I didn't do the center, but you can see if I go to the back, you can see rubber in between the fitting and the roof rack, and that makes it perfectly snug. So to recap, electrical conduit, U-bolts and fitting from McMaster-carr, coupled with your basic washers and non-slip nuts. You'll be able to torque that down, and now you have a set of crossbars that you can use to bolt anything to your roof. I've done the shower, I've done snowboard holders, and even bolted many ping pong tables and ladders and anything you need to pick up from around town off Facebook Marketplace or whatever it is that you use. These are very cheap, very sturdy, very robust. Hope this was informative. Give it a like, maybe subscribe. Let me know what else you want to hear about. Thanks.